Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am trying out a whole bunch of Essence products. Sorry, I don't want to drop this. This box is full of Essence products. I recently got some new ones in the mail as well. I'm just going to be trying out a whole bunch of new stuff. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you want to see more Essence or drugstore makeup looks or me testing stuff out. If you want to find out how this makeup performs, just keep watching. Now I am going to be using the hashtag Insta Perfect Liquid Makeup today in 50 Perfect Honey. I am filming a first impressions on that, so I'm going to skim over the process of me applying it, but I'm going to put all of my thoughts into a first impressions, which I will have out either before or after, but I'll link it down below when it is out, or make sure you subscribe so you can see it when I put it up. Before I get onto the foundation, I am going to use this All I Need concealer palette. I'm going to take this green color here. I'm just going to dip my finger in it and I'm just going to place that over my very bad breakouts. So this is just going to counteract with the redness, make them less noticeable. Now I did put some fake tan on my face, so that's why my face looks a little bit muddy. Might put a mix of some of the other concealers just over the top. I feel like the green is a little bit too green. I've been using one that's kind of like a pastel green lately, and that works really, really well. Okay, so I'll just take some and just dot it on this side of my face. Then I'm just going to take a foundation brush and just kind of stipple it around, just using my usual technique for foundation. Okay, so moving on, I'm going to jump into the little concealer, this little peach color here. I feel like these colors are quite strong. I don't know, maybe because I've been using the pastel colors in a different palette lately. I'm just gonna place that underneath my eyes, just right in that corner there. I do have the Essence Camouflage Matte Concealer. This is in light ivory. I have tried their normal camouflage one. Wow, this has got some serious coverage, guys. Wow. I'm hoping it doesn't just blend away kind of thing. I'll use a little concealer buffer brush instead of a beauty sponge. That's going funny on my nose, so I might have to use the sponge. That's some pretty good coverage. I'll just take this sponge, just finish blending it out. That looks awesome. I do have these color correcting powders, but I don't know if they're gonna work. I was thinking of using this color, I'm Flawless Lily. I don't know if you can see, but it's got a slight lavender tinge. I'm just gonna pick it up on the sponge and set my underneath of my eye with that. I think it's meant to like brighten your skin tone, having the lavender. Now the only face powder that I have is this one in Perfect Beige, and it's really old. It's not gonna be the right color. I'm just gonna set my face with another face powder. I have this Essence Eyebrow Gel, but it is in brown. That doesn't seem too bad. It's not too dark, I don't feel. Like, I mean, it matches my roots okay. That's pretty nice, actually. I will say, like, it's a little bit slippery. Like, it doesn't have much tack to it, but it may be because it's a brand new open product. But I think that looks pretty good. I'll fluff away that baking, and that actually worked really well. Wow, everything's going so good today. Time for eyeshadow. I'm using the Essence I Love Stage eyeshadow base. I can't get this one in Australia anymore, but you can get it overseas. Obviously this isn't a new product, but I'm just trying to use as many Essence products as I can. I'm actually so excited for this. Got this in the mail the other week. This is the Essence Wanted Sunset Dreamers eyeshadow palette. This looks stunning. I'm going to take this light matte color and I'm going to set my eye base with that. Wow, that's got some pigment to it. I did not realize that. I just thought it would be like a very skin tone kind of color. Well, that's made everything a little bit darker. My face is way too light for my body. Hopefully some bronzer can fix that. Okay, I'll just blend that out a bit. Next up, I'm going to take this next color in and just apply that in my crease. I know I didn't clean my brushes, but I'm going to be using the same colors as I always use. That's going really well. Essence stepped it up with this eyeshadow palette, even like with all of their products lately. Last time I did an Essence video, it was a few years ago now. The products I wasn't that much of a fan of their products. I think their collections are getting better and their products are getting better, which is great for everyone. So I'm going to go in with this one next. Just deepen that crease up. Then I'm going to take this burnt orange color and just run that through like a bit of a more detailed crease and on the outer edge there of that outer half of that eyelid. I'm going to pop this on the lower lash line as well. I just went to hold that up like there's a mirror there. Oh gosh. I don't know if this one's limited edition, but this is a Metal Shock eyeshadow in Stars and Stories. I'm just going to pop this on the lid. I don't really think that did too much, to be honest. Okay, well, that was really disappointing. I take this bronzy kind of color and put that like on the outer bit there. I feel like this would have worked out a whole lot better if I just left it as matte eyes. I don't know. I'll just do the whole thing as bronze. Not sure if this is going to work, but I'm going to take this kind of purpley burnt black color, this little mini smudger brush, smudge this into that lash line. Okay, that one had like a lot of fallout, like a lot. Just kind of like want to wing it out, but like nothing too dramatic or defined. I'm also going to put some on the lower lash line. Just that color has so much fallout. I do not match my body whatsoever. I have this Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil. Oh my gosh, that actually works so well. I just put it on like the top lash line. That worked so well. I've used quite a lot of Essence products like these. They've never worked as well as that. I'm just gonna like smudge that out with this definer brush. Mascara that I'm using today is this one. This is the I Need a Miracle Volumizing and Strengthening Mascara. That's what the wand looks like. Kind of curved, so I don't do the best with curved wands, but let's see. Ooh, this mascara is not too wet upon first application. Love it. I feel like it's good at separating my lashes, but not giving them volume, but let me just try a few layers. Okay, so, oh, you can see on the side there. I think this just needs a couple of coats. It's all good. Let me see if I've got any contouring products. I have this product. Now, this isn't a new product, but I am going to use it to contour today. I'll mix these two together. I don't know why I don't have any new like face products kind of thing. So this is the Get Picture Ready. I used this one time in a drugstore video, but I don't think I've really seen it since I used it. If you're wondering, the brushes that I'm using are actually my own. I'm coming out with my own brand. I'm planning to launch in December, so if I have them out already, I'll link them down below. I just want to make my face a little bit more bronzed. I have this Wanted Sunset Dreams blush palette. I think it's a blush. Yeah, fading blush with a super smooth texture. I think I'm gonna like just use the start of it. That's pretty nice. It's not over the top what I thought it would be. Just gonna take this highlight color and do my inner corner, brow bone. It isn't like super like metallic or anything like that. I'll use this highlighting palette today. So Light Up Your Face Luminizer palette. And I'm gonna use this one in the middle. Like I can see it on the camera, but it's a little bit hard to see it in life. I might take the one next to it as well. I'm gonna take some Essence Make Me Brow little eyeshadow, eyebrow mascara. I have this matte lipstick in number 7. Got this lip liner in Honey Berry. Here goes the lipstick. Oh, that color is so good. Really don't like this lip with this makeup. I think I'm gonna have to change the lip. Here is look with lip number 1. I just think it's just, I don't know, I don't think it goes with the blush. I think the blush is just too strong and I can't change the blush. Okay, I'm gonna take this lip off. I have this Colour Boost Mad About Matte liquid lipstick. This one's in Wanna Play. This is nice. So it's meant to be matte. Hopefully it dries down. I still feel like this blush is just too much. Like it's just OTT. So here's the final makeup look. I'm much happier with this lip. So much happier. Yeah, I was actually really pleasantly surprised with most of the products today. They turned out really well. I feel like Essence has really stepped up their game in the last couple of years. You'll have so many more products to try, so I probably can film another video as well. Some quick standouts and fails for me. Loved this eyeshadow palette. This was actually really, really good. It's similar to the colors that I have been using lately. I've been using this Cinepia eyeshadow palette from Mellow, and as you can see, a lot of the same shades kind of thing. Love these shades. I think that they suit me the most with my blue eyes. Really liked this concealer. That was good. The foundation was pretty good. The coverage just wasn't there. Stay tuned for the first impressions though. You know what I did like? I did actually like this powder. I thought that was really nice. The combo of the concealer with the corrector underneath it and then the powder seemed to work really, really well. The mascara was really nice. It does need a couple of coats though. The matte lipsticks, I do really like these matte lipsticks, but just this color didn't suit me today. On another day, I'm sure it'll be fine. The concealer palette, look, I'm sure it's good for its price. I just feel like the green was a little bit too strong. Let me see if I can like try and cover that up. I don't know, I just feel like all these spots are kind of, these are just coming through like on top of the foundation. I wasn't that much of a fan of this face luminizer palette. I mean, it's there, but it's, I don't know, maybe because I'm tanned, it's not the right tone for me. Might work on someone with more fair skin, but it kind of seems pointless with the 3 shades. Blush was nice, but it isn't going to go with every look that you do. Keep that in mind. And I totally forgot to use the primer, so I don't even have any primer on today because I put the concealer straight on. The eyebrow gel, yeah, that was actually pretty good. I'd use that again for sure. That wraps up today's video. If you want to see more Essence or drugstore makeup, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and turn on notifications in the little bell icon if you wanted to be notified of when I upload next. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.